Slacker through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Hargis versus Fusion. The name of the game here in front wheel drives. They're going to roar them up down the back straightaway. The H12 fires coming out of 4. Here we go on the final feature event of the night. We are green. Side by side down into 1. And Fusion gets the jump of a lifetime down into 1 and 2. Hargis going to try to stay with him as they roar down the back straightaway. Fusion throwing it in sideways. Almost loses it, but still maintains the lead. Fusion right through the middle. Hargis trying to stay with him. He'll pull him down the back straightaway. And 2 down, 10 to go. Hargis pushes. That gives Fusion a little bit more advantage going down the back straightaway. The H12 machine throwing it in like there ain't no tomorrow. And Fusion gonna come around. Lead lap number 4, 8 to go. The H12 trying to reel back in the 17 after a great jump on the restart. The 17 gonna ride smoothly, coming to halfway home. Hargis running out of time. Got to do something if he's going to catch the 17. He's going to throw it in hard, try to pick up some of that advantage. Saw the 17 out front. 4 to go. Hargis throwing it in, starting to catch Fusion just a little bit. He is right there. 2 to go at the line. Popsicle sticks in the air as Fusion comes off of 4. Hargis starting to catch him. Some late race magic. He's right there. Can he hold him off? He's on his bumper. He'll pull him down the back straightaway. Hargis going to throw it in on the top. Coming to the white flag. Does he have one last effort? Fusion going to lead it. Hargis right through the middle trying to stay with him. Hargis down the back straightaway. And that might do it. Fusion. Hargis going to throw it in on the top. But at the line, your winner out of Williamsburg, Kentucky, Raymond Fusion. Want to thank all you fans for coming out tonight. Remember, April 17th, we'll be back in action next Friday with the KDRE Super Stock Series and support classes. Thanks, everybody, for coming out. Next week is also Kids Night. Going to give away a bicycle presented by Todd Steel Buildings. Bring all the kids out.
Tonight's winner in the front wheel drives, Raymond Fusion. Well, I'd say people would clap. Would you like to take tonight, Raymond?
I got to thank all my sponsors: Candido's Towing, Eco Tech USA, K&A Auto Sales, Ball Brothers Lawn Care and Excavation, Mark Motors, Rowan's Garage, just everybody, my wife, my kids, Garrett's Lawn Care, everybody that works helps me on this thing.
Thank you and congratulations.
Once again, fans, don't forget Kids Night next Friday. Any form of school, if you're in any form of school, you get in free for grandstands.